Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six crashing. Problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and now go to Windows, Update, and then check for updates. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find and then go back. And now go to background apps, turn off this option and go back, then go to GeForce Experience, then go to drivers. After that, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.